Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can crop the display capture or window capture using OBS Studio. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open OBS Studio, and as you can see, I'm already recording. And if you want to crop the screen, just go ahead and choose this display capture from sources and select it. Then you can see that you can just go ahead and scale it. Or else, if you want to crop it, just click on Alt, and then you can just go ahead and do this. Just go ahead and drag it from a point where you want to crop the photo. So after you do this, you can see that only this part of the screen will be recorded. So you can go ahead and minimize the screen and you can start recording. And you can notice that only a minimum size will be recorded. Right now, I'm recording the whole screen from OBS Studio, so it will come the same. But if you want to undo this process, just click on Ctrl+Z to undo. Another feature of this is you can press Shift and then you can drag it. And as you can see, it will stretch according to your need. So if you want to fit this, you can just go ahead and right-click it, click on Transform, and you can click on Fit to Screen. And this way, it will turn back to default as well. So guys, this is the way how you can crop your window capture or display capture. All you need to do is click on Alt and you can drag it from the place you want. And this way, you can either increase the size or decrease the size according to your wish. I hope this video about how you can crop the window capture or display capture on OBS Studio was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.